Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, May 19th, 2022. Well, we start off the morning with some periods of moderate to heavy rain pushing off the coast. It was originally moving through much of Pennsylvania and New Jersey earlier this morning. Now it is starting to push off the coast with moderate to heavy rain around Connecticut, Long Island, and the immediate Jersey Shore. That rain will be exiting as we move on through the morning, with broken cloud cover for much of the morning becoming scattered by this afternoon. Temperatures this morning range from the mid-50s throughout much of the area, upper 50s in some of your urban areas. Take a look at our radar and surface map. There's our wave of low pressure pushing off the coast, and there is the bulk of our rainfall. This will be clearing out of the region. I'd say by about 10 a.m. it will be completely east of the region. So if you have any plans to go, let's say, to a Mets, Phillies, or Yankees game today, even though the Yankees are in Baltimore, overall, shouldn't expect much of an impact. Game should be played just fine as this rain exits. We do have to keep an eye out for a few isolated showers here and there, but for the most part, not a significant impact is expected. Take a look at our latest surface, visible satellite picture. You can see plenty of low clouds in place right now. As the sun rises, we'll get a little bit more mechanical mixing, and some of these low clouds will start to break up. So cloudy skies behind the steady rainfall and scattered cloud cover as we move towards the afternoon and evening. Take a look at our latest infrared satellite picture. We have this area low pressure and an impressive thunderstorm complex. This will not be impacting us, at least not immediately, but keep an eye on this cold front back here, as it will be an issue by the time we get to Sunday night into early Monday morning with showers and thunderstorms. In the meantime, a ridge over the western Atlantic, notice the clear skies out here, will continue to build, and as it does so, it's going to transport a hot and humid air mass into our area by the time we get to tomorrow and continue on through this weekend. A hot and humid summer-like weekend is expected with temperatures in the 90s in many locations. So definitely be prepared for that. And let me just touch on this for just a second. Our bodies are not used to a rapid shift in hot and humid conditions. So while you may in the past be totally used to hot and humid weather conditions, so you drink a bottle of water, you go in air conditioning, no big deal, keep an eye out for your kids and the elderly and even yourself, because when you get this rapid warming take place and this hot and humid weather pattern taken where your heat index is pushing into mid to upper 90s, it can put a real strain on your body and lead to the threat for a heat stroke or other heat-related illnesses. So just be prepared, drink plenty of water, and if you feel tired or you feel dizzy, you have a headache, get indoors and hydrate, okay? So let's walk through this forecast. For today, the rain will exit. Look for a broken cloud cover becoming scattered as we move on through the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures will rise into the mid-60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, lower to mid-70s in the interior, and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, watch out for some locally dense fog. Other than that, scattered cloud cover with low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm or two. High temperatures will range quite a bit from the upper 60s to mid 70s on the immediate coast, and upper 70s to mid 80s everywhere else. So basically your warmest locations will be around the Delaware River Valley, where we get more sunshine, but also watch out for that isolated thunderstorm. On Saturday, rinse and repeat, but much hotter. Look for fog in the morning and some low clouds, giving way to scattered cloud cover and the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm, especially around a sea breeze front. Temperatures will range quite a bit over the region. Now on the immediate coast, we're looking at temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to mid 60s for lows, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s on the immediate coast, and upper 80s to mid 90s away from the coast. So basically we could be looking at where the immediate Jersey Shore is around 75 degrees, and Philadelphia and the suburbs just to the east could be in the mid 90s, around 95 degrees. So you could be talking about a 20-degree thermal gradient. And when you have that type of setup, you can produce a few isolated thunderstorms. They'll be slow moving, so they'll be capable of very heavy downpours in a few isolated locations and possibly some localized flash flooding, wind damage, and frequent lightning. Most locations won't have a thunderstorm. It'll just be hot, humid, and muggy, but just be prepared for that potential outcome. On Sunday, ahead of the cold front, will remain in muggy conditions with fog in the morning, isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. Similar temperature regime with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas and in the interior. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast and on Long Island, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. And then our cold front will move through Sunday evening into early Monday morning with showers and thunderstorms. Now, the cold front will be moving through at the lowest point of instability in the atmosphere, so that's certainly good news in reducing the severe threat here. But there's going to be a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so some of these thunderstorms may still pack quite a punch with some heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, possibly pushing to severe levels up to 65 miles per hour. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. By Monday afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures much cooler. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid 40s to lower 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, and mid 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Low temperatures will range from the mid 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior and mid to upper 60s along the coast. On Wednesday, an area of low pressure and a warm front will approach the region with increasing cloud cover and showers towards the evening. Some of those showers may be heavy at times. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s. And then on Thursday, an area of low pressure and a cold front will move through with periods of rain, possibly heavy at times. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and on the immediate coast. Lower to mid 70s will be possible in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.